Hi guys, it's me, Crystal, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here sa channel ko, please don't forget to click the subscribe button. So, for today's video, I'll be doing Korean-inspired outfits. So, I have here 15K style outfits, and take note, these are all from Ukay-Ukay / pre-loved / thrifted / factory overruns. Basta, ukay-ukay. For an affordable price, may Korean outfit ka na, o diba? So, I am an Ukay-Ukay online seller and I'm selling my items for 50 to 120 pesos. O diba? Super affordable price. There are a lot of good finds talaga sa Ukay-Ukay. But since lockdown, so people can't go out para makapunta sa mga ukayan. And of course, mas prefer nila yung mga clothes na wash na or na sanitize na. So, I decided na magbenta online since my items are also well washed. So, I am selling Korean tops and skirts. So, yan. So, I do Korean turn-on and binibenta ko siya sa live selling sa Shopee. But maybe soon, baka mag-post din ako ng items sa Facebook. Kasi I observed some ukay-ukay items or overpriced sa social media. But people deserve na magkaroon ng trendy and pretty tops for an affordable price. And of course, these are ukay-ukay naman. So that's why I'm also selling ukay-ukay items sa presyong pangmasa and murang halaga. For this 15 Korean outfits that I'll be showing you, yung black pants and yung t-shirts lang yung personal na clothes ko. And yung pink blazer is galing sa pre-loved items ng ka-schoolmate ko. But the rest are from Ukay-Ukay na. So these are from Bale, yung mga binibenta ko. From yung iba mga na Joy-Joy. Yung iba may mga flow. And some items then are galing sa mga ibang live selling sa shop. So I'll just put the link below sa aking Shopee account and sa Facebook page ko. So without further ado, let's get started! For our first Korean ukay-ukay outfit, this cute floral smock top. You can also buy this on Shopee. I'll just put the link below.
Don't need no coffee yet, got no makeup. How do you look so fine? Bust up, bust up. How did I make you mine? Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second.
And next for our seduce outfit, charot! This top is from Ukay-Ukay and the jeans is my personal na pantalon. You can wear this for party or casual attire. Ano na? TikTok pa, girl! Next is pretty in pink outfit. This one, ang lakas makakay-drama ng outfit. Tipong mga outfit ng mga bida sa palabas.
in slow-mo.
I actually wore this during my life and yep, na-mine na siya.
Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah.
This top and skirt are both from Ukay-Ukay. Sabi nga nila, ang lakas makaberbere ng skirt.
Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah.
And for our next turno, this is one of my favorite top. This is actually from Ukay-Ukay then, from thrift store sa Cubao. I think this is for 3 years na sa akin. This is also my go-to blouse. And this skirt is pa-overlap. Next one, I also like this top because I really like pastel colors. Korean outfit is also known sa mga paribo nila. I actually bought this top from Ukay-Ukay live selling sa naging friend ko sa Shopee. Next is basic t-shirt and shorts outfit. This top is my personal cloth at nagbenta ako before ng mga Korean shorts. Down to our next outfit. This is my first ever trouser. So this is trendy lately. So you can use this sa office or just a casual attire. So this top is my personal clothes and the trouser actually from live selling din sa Shopee. So thank you and shout out to Sis Les for helping me to get this trouser. You can also pair it with white crop top or any white tops. And our next outfit, the oversized t-shirt is my personal clothes and the plaid skirt, ayan, joy yan. And let's add a denim jacket. So this jacket is also from Ukay-Ukay. And it also has a patches on the back. Next is schoolgirl outfit. So this style is also popular in Korea, especially yung may mga pa-collar sa tops. And this terno was already sold during my live selling. Next is pa-girly outfit. Of course, di mawawala ang mga pa-offshi or pa-bakuna top sa Korean style. Super cute ng top, pero ayan, nabenta ko na siya for only 120 pesos. So next is purple outfit. So I just really like this color because ito rin yung favorite color ni Ayu. And this pants is also from Ukay-Ukay and yung style niya is pa-wide like sa dulo. Yung color ng pants, it looks like gray sa screen but in actual, this is more of a lilac color. Next is a casual look. This is actually one of my style. I think I have 5 blouses with different colors na ganitong design na may mga maliliit na hearts. Actually, white Korean tops, super ganda nila. Mapasimple or ma-design, you'll never go wrong with white. Next is common yung inspired outfit. Kaso hindi ko siya kasing sexy. This top may mga tweed design sa polo. This skirt is also from Ukay-Ukay. It looks plain on camera kaya siguro walang nag-mind. But ayan, ang bongga may paslit. And this is also spandex. Next is for our madam outfit. This one is pang office attire na bongga. And this one is my pa-ruffle sa harap. And lastly, with my boss. Both this pink polo with a ribbon and the trouser are from Ukay-Ukay. While this pink blazer naman, I got this from pre-love item ng isa namin ka-schoolmate. That's it for today's video, and thank you for watching. So if you have any favorite K-style outfits, just comment it down below. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And also, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So yes, bye-bye!